morning, Hudson. What are we making?
We're making coffee.
Are you sure we're making coffee?
No.
No, what does this look like?
Coffee.
What are we making?
We're making waffles.
Yeah. Okay, you scoop. Do you know how much we're supposed to put in?
2.
Yeah, 2 cups. Okay, dump it. So 1.
1, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, hang on. Shake it over here. Let's see if it's level. Over here, over the tub.
What?
You need a little bit more. You're not quite full. Scoop it again.
Help.
Help.
Why we got these on?
Because the powder, the mix gets everywhere. Okay, 2. Dump it. Good job.
What up?
Yep, dump it. Okay, 2 more. We needed to make 4. I using a half cup scoop. Good job. Oh, is it level?
Stop.
Good job.
Level.
Yeah,
Level.
pretty close. You're trying. Okay, good. That's 3.
3.
Okay, we need 1 more.
I'll tell you to do it.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, because I can't. Ready?
Yeah. What else do we need to put in there?
Got the other wit. Dad, did I have it? Did I have that? So I should put it on?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, you can put it on.
Okay. So what?
You need to line up. There's a hole at the top. So turn this piece, line it up with that bump.
Like this?
Turn your hands the other way. Yeah, this way. This way. You do it. You get it on there.
I did it. Ready?
What else do we need to put in there, Hudson? Do you remember?
There.
And what goes in there?
Don't.
The oil.
Yeah, oil.
The oil, and we need water.
But the oil just like car oil.
Just like car oil? Oh. Can you pour this in for me, please? That's the water.
The water for.
Yeah. Good job. Okay. Cup and a half of water. Cup and a half. Okay, you want to hold it over the bowl?
Over the bowl?
Yeah. And how many of these do we need? Do you remember?
Yeah.
How many?
1,
1.
2.
This will be 2.
2.
And 1 more, which is number
2.
3.
3.
Okay. Want that one?
Why?
You gotta dump it in.
A little bit.
A little bit.
Ready?
I'm almost ready. We need to plug in our waffle maker though, so it gets warm.
It is. A waffle maker?
The waffle maker, yeah. Okay.
Ready?
I'm gonna put this part down because it's really heavy. Help? Oh, good job.
Did it.
Okay, ready to turn it on?
I guess I gotta do it.
Okay. Just, yeah. There you go. Did you turn it on a little bit too fast?
Yeah.
Yeah? You gonna be okay?
Yeah. Go wet.
You did get a little bit wet, yeah.
Yeah. That's okay.
Are we mixing?
Yeah.
Tell me when it's mixed. I don't know. I think it could probably mix a little bit longer.
Would I be like it? I can bring the towel in my hand. I'm walking and watching with the camera. I'm walking with the camera. Ready? My waffle ready.
We gotta pour it in there still. Are you ready to? Yeah. You gotta hold it.
Why? Hold it, camera guy. Hold it.
Yeah, hold it, camera guy.
You gotta film Mom pouring it in the waffle maker.
The waffle maker? I see a cloud. I see a cloud. I see it. I see him. See him. But I see you, Mom.
Ready?
No. Whoa. But I put gloves on the counter.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ready for this?
Yeah. It's a waffle.
It's a waffle.
It's a waffle, baby.
It is a waffle for you. What would you like on your waffle? Would you like butter?
No, thank you.
You want syrup?
No, thank you.
No?
No.
You sure? I'm pretty sure you want butter.
I'm gonna grab it onto there.
Yeah? You got
I'm
lots. Okay.
Help it. Kind of crunchy with it.
Yeah, it
Crunch,
is.
crunch, 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 crunch.
Is that lots of butter?
Yeah.
Yeah, just the way you like it, I know.
Can you eat on there?
Do you want syrup on it?
No. Can I eat with on there?
No, you cannot eat what's off of there.
Why?
Because you don't need to eat butter off the knife. Do you want me to cut it?
No. Huh? God.
How does it taste?
God.
Yeah?